Today we will be featuring a new route from Fishball Hill in Jalan Paya Terubong heading towards 1200 step Cheng Kon Sze Temple. The distance is around 3 km, which take about 1 to 1.5 hours by cycling. Hiking might take about 2 hours, depends on physical condition.
Good morning everyone, this is Pirate on E-Bike channel again. Today we are going to take the route from Jalan Paya Terubong heading towards Fishball Hill. Then from there we will continue our journey to 1200 steps. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment and also share with your friends. Thank you. We shall start our journey here. So join us for our adventure.
This route, which takes place in Jalan Paya Terubong, heading towards 1200 steps using the Fishball Hill route, is not suitable for new cyclists or non-experienced hikers, as it is quite steep and challenging. The path towards our destination today is not so easy as there are a lot of branches. So along the video, I will be adding the arrows to showcase how to get to the destination on the right path. Do take note on the arrow shows in the video. finally reached our destinations after a 1.5 hour ride. So for cyclists and also hikers, you definitely will enjoy these destinations. Don't forget to subscribe to Pirates on e-bike, share with your friends and comment, tell me which route you want me to do so. Thank you for watching this channel.